Yeah.
Damn, why you hiding?
Bro, damn.
What it do? S3 Vlogs out here. Sorry I've been inactive for a month now. All the hate comments I've been getting. Right here. Here's another one. You know who you are, Dr. Catamount. Hurt my feelings.
I don't want to speak about it. I didn't want to speak about it.
Damn.
Bitch ass nigga.
Damn.
Oh. What it do? Back at it. We're at Mitsuwa now. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Cameraman, come on. We're gonna be testing some. What is this? Japanese. Some Japanese snacks. So follow us. Inside.
Come with us. Let's go.
Oh, wait. What? Gotta keep the drip though. First out, there's a little package.
We're gonna be getting 3 things.
2 things. Let's go to the snacks. There's one snack right there. Oh.
Stop it. Get some help.
At least had 2 drinks, right? You heard the man. Scared boys. Have you heard it opening? It sounds decent. My first pick, bro. Yours.
So then we're trying to do is call the police.
Homie!
I think we get this one. Alright, what? Milky is really.
Oh, you got us?
What?
You saw that. Alright, so thanks to our sponsor, Brian Medina. That man's gonna be purchasing all the products.
Are you good? Wait, new design of what? I've never seen that before in my life.
Me neither, but I don't know. It looks decent.
What does that say? Dr. Catamount. Appreciate the support. That was lucky, little
Nah, take that because we have to try it out. Nah, we trying this one.
Alright, follow me around with you.
Gonna be getting this. I don't know what the fuck this is, but yeah. You got us though, right?
Nah, I saw you shit back. Put that shit back. How do you find something else?
I'm gonna be getting some motherfucking tortillas.
Yeah, what's that, man?
This is our cameraman's favorite candy. He ate the whole motherfucking bag.
Right behind you, make moves.
Yeah, when I'm getting this. Yeah, I take my fucking product. Yeah. We'll be back with you when we reach the front of the line.
What you been doing? Brian, you're the cameraman, that's the whole.
Brian, what are you doing?
Brian, what are you doing? What are you doing? Pick that shit up, Brian.
So who's playing?
Huh?
You paying?
Thank you.
You paying?
Me? That's all you. You? Me?
I know we were sponsored by this man.
So we're gonna
Card roulette.
whatever they choose pays. So
Did they give me a vote?
pick one. Yeah, pick one.
That shit was brave. This we're gonna jump this cameraman after.
Me?
I parked like across the map. Why she has fucking cameraman? He can't do one thing.
Where you filming, Brian? We're gonna be eating inside the car.
Yo, what it do? We're back inside now.
Alright, so we got this. We got this. Cough medicine.
Medicine.
We got this.
Can you tell us the name?
We got this. I don't know what any of this says.
For drinks, we got this royal milk tea, some Slight. You got some guava nectar, some fucking rip-off hummus. You got some gokari.
Ah, Loki heard a lot of good things about that.
Have you know?
Yes, I have actually.
Oh,
What is that?
Oh, nah, we got this.
Alright, Brian, you can select.
Pick for us.
Alright, good talk.
Alright, so from his eye view, he picked the gokari.
Okay. And then what about the snack? Okay, so
You
he
picked
looked at-
over
Yeah, I
here.
did. I was gonna go to that one as well. All right, you set that up.
Oh, I know y'all hear that. Ooh.
What the hell?
Matter of fact, look at the little color.
What the?
Not bad.
You good? All right, here. Try one of the, you want one? All right, good talk.
The Kokri. Oh, damn, that's delicious.
Yeah.
Damn.
So that was good. What do you do? What are you doing? That's a waste of. Wow.
What? Do what? Oh, my cups are spilled, bro.
Where, Brian? Give it to you. All right, good talk. So cute.
I didn't even know the motherfucking rapper. Pardon me.
What we getting next? All right, so he
He's
said
kind of picking over here.
yeah, I do see that. Low key. And then he picked this snack too.
But, oh, no. Did you pick that snack? Blink. Did you pick that snack? Oh, you didn't pick that snack. I
All right,
see.
we'll get this, whatever this is.
Did you pick that snack? Blink if you picked that snack.
Man died on this. All right, we're selecting this one now. All right, go ahead. You
You
do
gonna be
that.
getting this? It's just Hawaiian, man. Not even Japanese. I picked the wrong shit.
Oh, I'm stupid as hell.
Peep the color. About to drop that shit.
Oh, look, another individual package.
These Japanese do like that, huh?
Change your plans, change your plans.
Man, that's why Brian didn't blink. He knew.
Damn. All right, we'll try.
No.
Straight up mix.
It is straight up homie.
Oh, my move!
Damn, you get a hold of no more. Damn, he's about to. Oh, he's going back. Nah, he can't.
Yeah, why is there fog in the car?
Damn, oh man, let's leave it. Where's he going?
What happened? What happened?
Damn. What's going on there?
What happened?
Everything-
All right, well, we're trying this now because what's pocket? Man's back in.
Man, always again.
See that packaging?
Pretty fancy packaging, but this is on myself. Let me read the back. It's chocolatey.
Pretty much it.
What are we doing next, man?
What's he looking at?
Oh!
Alright, we're doing this now. How do you open it? How do you open it?
Hit the little top.
Okay.
You pop that shit out.
Okay.
You get this thingy.
Oh, damn. Are you good?
Nah, it's just fucking. Oh. My bad.
Nah.
Man, been there for a minute, huh? I gave you an honest review about it.
He's
Take a little munch.
evolving. He's evolving.
Oh, damn, it's smelling everything. I was getting a whole review. It's a little, not spicy, a little tangy. Oh, God. Damn, I said you're approving shit.
Things are fire. Tastes like a straight up bowling.
What? This? Yeah, it tastes like a nut to bowling. As you can see, the little test subject right here is intrigued by the little marble.
What do you think of that? Apparently, say the best for last.
Yeah, I mean, shit.
Some good ass chips.
I can tell, my God, man, munching and crunching over there. Looks kind of weird. Delicioso.
Muy. Alright, tell me how it tastes. I'll just keep doing me.
Oh, I know you're getting one. Just try it.
That was a big disappointment.
Yeah.
That's a no-no.
Yeah,
Who picked that one?
damn.
10 out of 10 recommend it if you ever come here. But you didn't even try. I don't know what you're talking about. Best chips in the world, to be honest. I just threw the whole bag myself.
Damn,
Try
dude. These, I give like a 6, 7.
Yeah.
It's even a
10 out of 10. Oh my god, I need help. These was an 8.
And
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
He is a straight.
10 out of 10. This 10 out of 10.
That.
I'm just kidding. It's a good 5 out of 10.
Or
It's kind of weird.
this guava nectar straight who mix. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. And a little 8 out of 10. All right.
And then lastly, this. What was this? What do you get? 7 out of
Just
10.
fucking chocolate. Yeah.
7 out of 10. All right, that was it.
Come
Dr.
back.
Catamount. I hope you liked this video. All right, peace.